Art comes in many different mediums, such as watercolor, pottery, or oil painting. But one medium that is often forgotten is digital art. Here at DGS, students can take digital art classes taught by art teacher Samantha Washer, where they can learn several different unconventional forms of art.
So in computer art, we have a few different levels of computer art. So computer art 1, like right now they're currently working on a zombie project. So they're using Photoshop brushes, paint bucket fills, and doing actual digital drawing.
Students in digital design classes also get to use Adobe Illustrator, design logos, and do more digital drawing, among other projects. Students are currently working on a zombie project where they zombify a picture of themselves. But freshman Pierre Brown's favorite project is one from earlier in the semester.
So far, I like the name tag project. We get to make our own custom name tags.
Most art classes look different from the traditional classroom setting, and Computer Art 1 is no different. A typical day ranges from working on a current project to learning how to use different design programs. Senior Janelle Patel details what computer art is like for him day to day.
Basically, every day is super fun for me, at least drawing a picture and creating new ideas and blending a lot of stuff like creativity, etc. So it's pretty fun.
According to artplacer.com, digital art was first conceptualized in the 1960s when artists like Frieder Danek used computer algorithms to generate drawings. Now, Washer details how computer design is all around us.
As far as that goes, I like to tell students that, especially with the digital art is everywhere. You look at the stickers on the back of your laptop, you look at posters, design is everywhere, and it's becoming more and more digital. So I think being able to apply what you learn in class, not just for the project, but for the real world and beyond these walls, I think that's great. And I try to tell that to my students every day, but I also try to use and provide real life examples.
You can find out more information about computer art and other DGS art classes in the academic planning guide. If you're interested in taking a computer art class next year, talk to your counselor about enrolling. Reporting from Downers Grove South High School, this is Izzy reporting to you from the Blueprint News Network.